So I have a little bit of an internal dilemma right now. I got a phone call to come pick up this truck for scrap, and it was a very nice older lady. She told me she was 82 years old. This is a 98 Chevy, and she told me she bought it brand new 24 years ago. So she's been the one owner. She says that it won't start anymore, and I bought it for scrap, and I went and picked it up and brought it home, and she kind of cried when I was taking it away. And you know what, she's a local person. I've kind of known her before. She said it's been a great vehicle, it's just time to go. And she pointed at the rust and said that she has to buy a new car, and she can't afford a new car. I told her, buy Toyota. I said, buy a Toyota Corolla. It will never let you down. You can drive it for the rest of your life and you'll never be disappointed. She said, well, she doesn't really have money for a Toyota, and I felt bad. I felt bad. Guys, I have a heart. Believe it or not, underneath this hard derby exterior, I have a heart. The only part of the truck that's not rusty is the tailgate. But like inside here is in really good shape, and I don't think she's actually ever used this for a truck. She bought it brand new, and it's got 176,000 kilometers on it, which is about 105,000 miles. So here's my dilemma. I'm an overly, I wouldn't say I'm a nice guy. You know what? Screw it. I'm a nice guy. And my heart is killing me here because she wants another vehicle. And she says it won't start. And she's had her neighbor over there and they started looking at it. And they can't figure out why it won't start. The battery's dead. The battery is dead on this, and I legitimately threw a boost on it and the thing fired back up. Now, I've already paid for this vehicle. She signed over the ownership. She signed over the title. I have a bill of sale. I've done everything that I'm supposed to do buying a vehicle. I don't know if I should give it back. Should I put a new battery in it? I got batteries everywhere around here that are good. They're not great, but they're good. Do I throw another battery into this and then take it back to her and just say, listen, I know that you and your other friends tried to get it going. You couldn't. It just needed a battery. And give it back to her. The transmission feels good. The tires are good. The brakes feel good. Like, everything on this truck feels overly good. And, like, I sent the lady that I was talking to, which is her neighbor, a message and said, listen, is she able to drive anymore? Because this truck is still a really good truck. I threw a battery into it and it's fine. And if she can still drive and she needs the truck back, please talk to her and I can return it. Because honestly, guys, if I just get back what I paid for the truck and I help this lady out and I throw a battery into it for $100, I don't feel bad. I feel bad taking it. Like, buying a Toyota, and I know I pay good for my Toyotas, but I don't feel bad buying any of these. This old lady, I felt horrible taking this truck, and when I came home and it fired up with a boost, I felt even worse. Am I wrong, guys? Do you think I should just keep this and part it out, scrap it, derby it, or do you think I should just do the right thing and give this back to this old lady if she can have it back with her license? What do you guys think I should do? Leave a comment down below, because this thing's really pulling on my heartstrings, guys. She bought the truck brand new 24 years ago. Yeah. I'd be upset if I let it go for over a dead battery in 24 years. But let me leave a comment down below what you guys think. It's just a 4.3 two-wheel drive, so it ain't worth crazy money. And it's rough. If this thing was 100% clean, it'd be worth money, but it's not. The floors are good. The doors, the rockers, the box sides are not. But leave a comment, guys. Tell me if you think I'm doing the right thing or the wrong thing. And thanks for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.